Assalamu alaikum adab and a very good afternoon to all our Facebook viewers. Today we are once again with you with an important topic of English language, and today's topic will be about how to write the two alphabet cases, the uppercase and the lowercase, what you call in other terms the capital letters and small letters, in terms of a four-line pattern. Actually, most of our teachers find themselves in a fix when it comes to place these capital letters or running letters in terms of cursive format within 4 lines. And today we are going to place them within this 4-line format for all our learners, for all our viewers. And we shall look forward that all our teachers, all our learners rather, and viewers will have a cakewalk giving pages to the children in pre-primary. We shall also talk about the 4 letters of uppercase capital letters which many of our learners do misplace within these 4 lines. And we shall also talk about some of the specific letters of the running format as well, where we get into 6s and 7s while putting them on notebooks. So stay with us. Come to the next part of the video as we talked about English alphabet, and it is 2 cases, the uppercase and the lowercase of the English letters, and putting them in 4-line format in terms of cursive pattern of writing. As we all can see that we have put the uppercase of letters, what you also call capital letters, cursive capital letters, in 4-line format. And what we can see is like G, J, Y and Z. These 4 letters are always placed in the entire 4 lines of the format. And the rest 22 letters of the uppercase in terms of cursive capital letters, they're always placed in the upper 3 lines of the 4-line format. Now when we talk of small letters, we have almost 4 categories of small letters. These categories do comprise of the letters which we actually put in the upper 3 lines, which comprise of B, D, H, K, L, T, 6 of them. Then we have a bigger category of letters, almost 13 of them, comprising of A, C, E, I, M, N, O, R, S, U, V, W and X. And these are to be placed immediately, I mean to say in the middlemost lines of the 4-line format. Then we have a third category of the letters in lowercase or in the small letters. We have G, J, P, Q and Y, Z, which are always placed in the lower 3 lines of the format. 1 or 2 letters comprising of F and at times P, which are justified to be placed in all the 4 lines in terms of small letters cursive pattern. So that's all about the written pattern of letters both in the upper and the lower cases of English alphabet. I hope this video will be of some help to non-professional English teachers. Hope you'll catch up with the next video. Till then, have a good day.